So quick video today is about me putting some lighting out here on my shed. Now the shed is pretty well locked up. There's no real way to get in it besides these two side windows here. It's got a steel door. Overall, very well constructed shed, but at the end of the day, if somebody really wants in, they're going to get in. And recently I've found footprints around my house. I have found stuff being moved around that I didn't do or my family didn't do. So we're going to put a light right here on the corner and one over here beside this door, so that even me just walking out here to get something after dark, I can do that without having to carry a flashlight. Now the lights in question, my wife picked up off a friend of hers that sells items off of pallets, which is these solar induction lamps, number 1828B, Bravo. It doesn't have a brand. That's as close as it says, made in China. Now, the one thing I noticed that seems to be the nice thing about these is it's not just a forward-facing light. It's got these side lamps too that'll kick out light to the side. So once I put this right here, because I'm just going to put one, well, probably right there. That way that's nice and centered. My LCD is going to kill me with that. That way it's above my head so I can work, but so that it kicks light as far out as possible while keeping it centralized around the front door here. Now these are motion activated. They're solar. They don't have any power wires, which is what I want. I do plan on getting another light out here that's wired. It'll be a lot brighter, but in instances where I just need to buzz in and buzz out, done. So she popped me these two. They was like 15 bucks. They come with the screws, and it comes with these little, I don't know what you call it, insulators for putting it in masonry if you have to. So basically at this point, the only tool I need is my handy dandy drill with a Phillips 4-way chuck. Just one thing I wanted to note is once you remove this packing here, you want to make sure that these are actually switched on. The one I just installed up here, it actually was switched off, so just make sure it's switched on so that you don't forget about it. And overall, I mean, for $8, I think it'll do the job.